Good afternoon, Chip here with Hybrid Electric Car Sales, coming to you from, well, the street. We have this car towed in. This is a very, very rare 2017 Lincoln MKZ Hybrid. I'm just checking the year. Yeah, it's the 17. Gentleman brought this to us. He bought this. He always wanted one of these, and this is got this baseball glove, black leather interior that apparently is very hard to find also. So obviously bad transmission in this one, that's why it's here with us, and we're going to bring this car back to life. So this is a black label 2-liter hybrid. So here, Austin, hop inside. We're going to start it up so you can hear. It does start, but we don't think it drives. We're going to see if we can get it to drive, but let's go ahead and give that a shot here. All right, so total stator bearing failure. You got drive? Huh? Very. So you're driving on electric right now? Full electric. All right, let's get it into the shop. So the car does move. That's a good sign. We're driving on hybrid mode, and we're going to drive it into the shop. Better than pushing it. All right, stay tuned as we get in the shop. Let's take a closer look at this. Black label, real nice interior. I mean, this has got 141,000 miles on it. But very good. This is a cool looking car. It's essentially a hopped up Ford Fusion. It's got these nice wheels. How's the trunk look?
It's an electric automatic trunk.
Yeah, all the Lincolns do that. They also have the gas strut on the hood, which is nice. We normally don't see that. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. I mean, definitely a cool Lincoln in here. But HF35 transmission. So here it is under the hood. We got a jump box on it. But this is very familiar. If you've been following our channel, hybrid engine, inverter, transmission's under there. There she is. It's been sitting for a while. But we're going to take this one apart. I expect this one to be pretty tore up on the inside. I don't know if it's ejected anything out of the side of the case yet, but we expect the worst. But we got a brand new transmission ready to be put in here, and we'll get this client back on the road. So stay with us through this repair, okay? All right, making some progress on the Lincoln. One thing to note when doing a Lincoln hybrid transmission is they come with this extra brace right here. And this is our lift point actually for the transmission to lower it out. So we have to support the transmission from the bottom to take off this support bracket here. That's just like a torque plate. So we can actually get our equipment hooked up on there. So that's one of the differences. The other differences is with the Lincoln is it's wider. So normally we are putting our brace on the fender, and you can see here the fender is a good 3 inches out wider than the Fusion. We're actually going right on the frame rail here. We usually brace this fender with some 2x4s underneath here to give us a solid base, but this time we can go right on the frame rail. So that's just some of the differences, that the Lincoln is a little bit different than the Fusion when doing this job, but at the end of the day, everything fits in there, and this one's about to come out. Okay, transmission is out of the car. Here it is on the floor. We're packed in here right now, but there's the Lincoln, and here is the transmission. So no, did not cut through the case. You'll see the transfer gear cut through the case, and you can see in there. So this is failed internally. Here's the new transmission, fully rebuilt, and this one is marinating, as we call it. We always set them on their side this way the night before to make sure all the oil gets to all the bearings. This one does have fluid in it, and it's all plugged up, as you can see. And we'll marinate this transmission for 12 hours overnight, and then in the morning we will install it. So that's where we're at, and you can follow us along. All right, welcome back. So kind of skipped a couple things there, but we got the transmission back in. We're moving along pretty quickly. As you can see, the axles are in. We're just tightening up the subframe that has gone back in, and soon here we're going to be putting back together all of the suspension and getting this car started up. So underneath the car looks pretty good. You got a little bit of some oil seepage here coming out the timing case cover. Nothing you can really do about that unless you want to break down half the motor. You do have the tray underneath here that'll catch any of that seepage, but that's just, we see that from time to time. But there is the fully rebuilt transmission up in there. Should be starting up pretty soon. So we'll do the finale of this video with everything getting started, and we'll go from there. All right, all finished up here. Here we are. We're out in front of the shop. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. See here, car goes to ready. Nice and quiet. So, let me step on out and pop the hood. So it sounds much, much better now. Should be a little bit better at this. So no high-pitched squealing anymore. You can see the new transmission down in there. That's it all the way down there buried. We just did our 30-mile test drive with it. You need a new set of tires for sure. They're flat spotted, and we had to add a 12-volt battery. But the car is looking great. It's all back together, driving. So there she is. So we'll have it all ready for you to pick up this weekend. There's a big snowstorm coming, so we'll see how that goes. But stay with us. So if you need this job done to your Lincoln, your Ford C-Max, or Ford Fusion, you can reach out to me at 615-802-5550. You can come see me in person at Hybrid and Electric Car Sales at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee, or check us out online at hybridandelectriccarsales.com. Hope to see you soon and have a great day.